All right, guys, we are back on the road. So after changing the fuel pump, you know, we got an Osias pump from Amazon. Got delivered in 2 days. Started the first day, came back the second day. The car did not want to start. So I'm breaking my head thinking, what could it be, right? So I started checking the fuel pump relay, the OVP relay, checking for voltage, and even went as far as changing the computer. So I exhausted all leads trying to sort this thing out. In my mind, it can't be the fuel pump. I just changed it. It's brand new. Car started when I changed it. Came back the second day to try and start it. Nothing. So I wasn't really looking into the fuel pump. I'm looking for another culprit. So in the end, I went and checked for power at the pump and realized that I had power at the pump, but the pump was not coming on. So this junk here did not last but 1 day. Stay away from this. Go with original Bosch. Went with this. It's a lot quieter than this junk, and the car is back on the road. We are back on the road. The baby Benz is back.